We'll tell you about the THC Detox kits that are proven to work, even if you are short on time. If you need to remove all marijuana from your system or pass a drug test, these kits will help you. Let's start. There are permanent and same-day detox kits. Permanent detox kits will require at least 7 days, but they will permanently remove all marijuana traces from your body. On the other hand, same-day kits work in just 60 minutes. They temporarily flush traces of marijuana from your bladder, so you'll have several hours to pass the drug test. The best same-day THC detox kit is the Fast Marijuana Detox Kit from Greenfleets. It will cleanse your body in just 60 minutes, and the effects will last up to 5 hours. You don't need to quit marijuana before using this kit. Here's how the kit works. It stops the breakdown of body fat, so THC from the fat cells is not released into the blood. Absorbs THC in the intestines, so your body cannot reabsorb it back into the blood. Slows the metabolism in the liver. Thus, your body cannot process THC and excrete it into the urine. Flushes the remaining THC from your bladder, making your urine clean. Click on the link in the description to get this kit while it is still in stock. The premium 7-day detox kit will permanently remove all traces of marijuana from your body. Here's how the kit works. Increases the breakdown of body fat, so THC from the fat cells is released into the blood. Improves the metabolism in the liver, so THC is processed and excreted faster. Improves the removal of THC through the intestines. To get this kit, click on the link in the description.